Hi friends, I'm Sapna Agarwal, Creative Director of Ansa Interiors, and in my design discussion series today I'm going to talk about designing your office space. Some tips and tricks. The office is a space where those who are working spend major of their awake time of their lifetime. The work environment affects the output as well as the creativity of the employee working. So actually एक अच्छे ऑफिस को ideally it should incorporate all the tips that I'm going to kind of give today. Since commercial spaces are very expensive, efficient use of space or space planning takes the lead. It's the most important thing while designing an office. Besides smooth commuting, the office planes should allocate optimum space for each workstation. यानी कि हर एक के पास अपनी एक जगह होनी चाहिए. Lighting determines the attention time of an employee and is directly proportional to his or her output. Therefore, I think थोड़ी बहुत natural light with least possible dark spaces or shadowed areas is kind of very essential for a good work environment. I'll also add ventilation and air conditioning are other factors that determine your comfort in the office. So optimum air circulation, temperature regulation is kind of very important to make any workspace very comfortable. It is very important to provide a clean, hygienic washroom at office. Ideally his or her washroom separate होने चाहिए अगर space permit करती है तो, because office में सब तरीके के लोग होते हैं. Basics like distilled water, tea coffee machine, and as well as a ventilated pantry makes your life very easy. You know, it's kind of inviting for the people to sit there for longer hours, and फिर थोड़ी सी convenience factor add हो जाती है. The design of an office should be very inviting and stimulating. Rather than those dull grays, blacks, I think it's recommended to pep up your office using refreshing colors. जैसे यहाँ पीछे हमने ग्रीन का यूज किया हुआ है, कुछ एक चीज जो थोड़ा सा मन को रिफ्रेश करे बहुत अच्छी लगती है ऑफिस में. The color has a very huge impact on the psychology of a human being. Therefore, I would advise, how about using a mint green or an aqua color? Somehow they're very stimulating and happy colors. Somehow जब भी हम ऑफिस बनाते हैं हमें ऐसा लगता है कि वो ग्रे ब्राउन ही होगा या वो ज़्यादा टोन्स ऑफ ब्राउन ही होंगे, बट आई थिंक थोड़ा सा कलर पेपअप ही कर देता है. And it's very important to have a place for everything and everything in place. यानी कि जो हर चीज की एक जगह हो और हर चीज अपनी जगह पर हो. This is the possible if you only have a very well planned storage, which is organized. It's kind of clutter free. It's very important to buy or make ergonomically correct tables and chairs, as this is where the people will sit for minimum of 8 hours. You know, 8 घंटे एक कुर्सी पे बैठना है तो एटलीस्ट वो comfortable तो होना. It is important to get your electricals correct to save that extra exposed wires running after the renovation. जितनी वायरिंग करानी है पहले अपनी चेकलिस्ट बना लो. आपके यूपीएस की, सर्वर, ईपीबीएक्स, लैन, वाईफाई, इंटरकॉम, एक्स्ट्रा स्विच सॉकेट्स, कॉल बेल, ऑडियो सिस्टम, ऑटोमेशन, एनीथिंग एल्स दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड, पहले उसकी लिस्टिंग कर लो. बाद में कोई एक्स्ट्रा वायर नहीं रन करनी चाहिए. It's kind of very advisable to get a professional help to do this. Also make space for employees to sit together for lunch hours. You know, this kind of helps in interaction in the office and also helps the employees to relax. कहीं एक जगह बैठ के वो बात तो कर पा रहे हैं ना, कुछ थोड़ी सी, you know, there's a space for breather in between those work hours. So थोड़ा सा help कर जाता है productivity में. I would advise that you always have allocated space for everybody in the office. हर एम्प्लॉय तब कंफर्टेबल फील करता है when he sits on his own table rather than rotating around. वो my space वाली फीलिंग ना बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. वो somehow it makes the office more welcoming. Keeping check on pest control by professional services is a must to make any office livable. आपके ऑफिस में अगर कहीं pests हैं, कुछ छिपकली आ रही है, कोई कॉकरोच आ रहा है, इम्पॉसिबल है कि वहां पे लोग बैठ के काम कर सके. फायर सेफ्टी प्लानिंग एंड फायर फाइटिंग इक्विपमेंट्स आर एसेंशियल फॉर एनी ऑफिस. जरूरत नहीं है तो भी लगा लो. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई थिंक I've shared a lot of tips today about office space designing. For any kind of design consultancy, you can contact us on www.ansainteriors.com. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to our channel, and all the best. Thank you.